So what I have here is an X55. It is a large, heavy lift drone meant to carry all sorts of different payloads depending on what different customers need. We work with different drone payload manufacturers that do LiDAR, OGI camera systems, surveying systems, you name it. We work with them to try and make it work with our drone. Our drone is unique because it has a hybrid module on the top of it that runs off of gasoline. So you can get up to 3 hours flight time without a payload. The really cool thing is ours is unique where you can actually just pop the latches off. When you pop the latches off, you can remove your entire hybrid module and swap it out for a battery module.
Wow.
When you use the battery module, you then have about an hour's worth of flight time. But you can have multiple battery modules ready to go and just keep swapping them out. This drone has folding arms and removable legs, so the entire drone folds up into a nice, tidy case, so it's easy to transport and not too difficult to get around.